Morning guys, I'm gonna show you how I got this gold trade yesterday on Monday in the New York session originally. So what I was doing here is I'm just trading support and resistance and supply and demand basically. It's kind of the same thing, but uh, what I was looking for is basically New York highs and lows and where there is some strong support or resistance levels. I can find it here at 2630. So originally I took the order here 2629. When the price came into this area I saw it rejecting there, but then I did close the trade in the New York session bit because it just did not take off. It was just consolidating here for around 1 hour, so I thought it might try to come back below to find more orders and then go up. And you can see that this is the area I marked, and then I closed the order somewhere here, and then I put another forward order just around above this level 2626, and then the price came in a little later in the evening and then went into the area, and then now it's about 150 odd pips in profit. My official take profit target is around 2656, so around 280 pips over there on this trade. um, and I'll show you that on this chart here on my live account. So that's the entry there, and so far it's running pretty good. So it's about 165 on my live here. So I got a slightly better entry, I believe. So you know, I still got around 140 pips left to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some partial profit because I have done 165 pips, which is quite good to do it in less than 24 hours. So I'm going to close some of this trade. So I've got 0.5 off, so I'm going to close half of this trade and 0.25 close, and then I can move my stop to entry just below that level of spikes, and let's see where the trade goes. I'll keep you up. Alright guys, just an update on my gold trade. So at the moment it's around 240 pips in profit. I did take some partial profit there as I showed you, and it's coming to the New York session and it's not too far away from my take profit level, but I'm gonna look to take some profit because it's quite a lot, and I need to bank it in. And so what I'm going to do is take partial profits, and you can see here it's currently about 236 pips there. So I'm going to close the trade. So I'm going to close most of it and just leave 0.05. So close 0.2, and then what I'm going to do is basically move my stop to like around here. And yeah, that's it.